How to change payment method on YouTube. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change payment method on YouTube. Now the process is quite similar on the app itself and on the browser itself as well. So let me guide you through quickly. Simply open up your YouTube, and what you want to do is you want to log into your account. Once you logged in, what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen, and there you'll be able to see various options. Simply head into the option purchases and memberships. Now if you have any saved purchase payment methods here, you'll find it here, and you can tap on the edit option beside it. If you are on the browser, the process is similar as well. You want to head into profile and you want to head into the payment and membership options, and there you can edit it. So this way you can change payment method. However, if you want to add one, I'll just show you. You want to select the option that you want to buy, and you want to select on try it for free, and then it'll load up here at the bottom of the screen. You can see now here, you can see it's asking me to play with Google Pay balance, and there is an icon there along with it. What you want to do is you want to tap on the payment method that's showing up on the screen, and once you tap on it, you'll be able to select the payment method. You can see add payment method to your Google account. You can add Paytm wallet, credit or debit card with UPI or redeem code. You can select any method that you want and you can pay it, and once you save it, you can change it again from here while you are paying it. So this way you can change payment method on YouTube. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.